from today we are going to start the online class. So I am going to take for the 7th standard computer science. So you know the computers very well. So we have now, I am going to take an overview for the first 6 levels. Mastery level 6 up to level 6 we are going to see an overview. So in overview just now we are going to, so in level 1, so there are mainly 5 streams. In that 5 streams only we are going to see the 6 levels though we have learned so far. The 5 streams are, first one, familiarity with computers. Familiarity with computers the first one. Second one, thinking process skills. The third one, computer application. Fourth one, programming. Fifth one, safety measures. So these are the 5 measures we are going to see. Familiarity with computers. So how we are using the familiarity with computers, we know nowadays we are using the computers very often, and it is in a day to day life we are using the computers. And the second one, thinking process skills. So when you are writing programming, you have to know and you have to think in which process we are going to do that. And the third one, computer application, in which as in many areas we are using computers, that based on this computer application. And the fourth one, programming. So there are many programming languages. When you are going to learn, you will be learning that. And the last one is the safety measures. So you have to be very safety precautions and be careful we are using the systems. One, so in these 5 aspects that I have learned so far, in this we are going to see that. So first to level 1, in the familiarity with computers. So familiarity with computers, in this in level 1, so we are going to see what are all the aspects. So first one, its usage, where we are using it, and second one, its uses, and third one, connecting devices, parts. Fourth one, desktop. So in familiarity with computers, in level 1 we will be knowing about its usage of computer, its uses, the parts of the computer and the desktop. So in the usage it is categorized into 2. In this categorization, in usage we are using in which process we are using and in which area. It is categorized into 2. And the second one, uses. In uses we are using it on for keyboard and mouse, which these 2 elements only. First in level 1 we are going to use it, and then parts of the computer, the CPU and the connected devices. And the last one is the desktop. Okay. So in this usage we are having 2 categories, process and area. In which process we are using it? So we are using for we are using computer for process like hearing music, you are viewing video, drawing pictures, like that. In area means in which area we are using the computers. We are using mainly in banking, education system, railways, like that. And then its uses. So first in this level 1 we are going to know about the usage of keyboard and mouse. So in keyboard we are having number keys, alphabet keys and special character keys. And in the next one, mouse, we will be knowing about, in the level 1 we will be knowing about the left click, right click, drag and drop, like that. And the parts of the computer, in the parts of the computer it is also categorized into 2 parts, CPU and connected devices. In CPU we will be having the memory unit, secondary devices, like that. And in the parts of connected devices you will be having the keyboard, monitor, speakers, mouse, etc., which has been fitted outwards. And next one, in the desktop. In the desktop you will be knowing about the taskbar, the icons and the windows. So these are all in the level 1. Desktop you will be having the taskbar, windows and the icons. So these 4 are the familiarity with computers we are using in level 1. We must be very familiar about this, and I think you all will be very familiar because now we are going to learn level 7. So, these are the components we are using in under the category familiarity with computers. Next we will be going on to the second one, that is the application. In application in level 1 we are using TuxPaint, which is used for drawing pictures. So, thinking process skills in level 1 it is not included, the second one will be the application, and we are not having the programming concept also. The 5 concept first I initiated first. In that level 1 we are having familiarity with computers, the application, and the last one safety measures. Now we are going to see the safety measures. Now we are going to see in safety measures. In safety measures, first one, share equally. Second one, keep correct posture. Third one, keep distance. Fourth one, be clean. And fifth one, be safe. So, these are the first 5 safety measures we are going to see in the level 1. So, in the level 1 we all know this 5 safety measures and we have been practicing it, though it is in level 1 I am saying it again. So, first one, share equally. So, you should give equal space for your students, so they should also use their systems. And the second one, keep correct posture. When you are sitting, you should sit in the correct posture, you should not lean to the computer or you should not drag anything. And the next one, keep distance. So, there should be a distance between the monitor and you, okay, and between the CPU or other components. And the next one, be clean. So, when you should be very clean while using, you should not eat before the systems, or you should not use any water like things or before before sitting inside the system. And the last one is the be safe. So, you should not pull any wires or you should not leave your fingers inside the keyboard like that. So, these are the 5 safety measures you are following and you should follow before sitting before the computer. In level 1 it has been described. Thank you, students.